by the different disciplines in the police as they are engaging on the work that they do. Some of that information is what we're going to begin to see here, which information that will be confirmed by the very same people that were briefing me when they come before this commission with that evidence. For instance, I will talk about a report that is available, which I have seen, but I might not display it here. They are going to come with that report and show it to the commission, if that is okay. I just want to make sure the commission understand, so that as when I talk, it mustn't be the question of where is the evidence of this you're talking about. It could be the information that I'm told during the course of work, as in my capacity as a senior officer. Mind you, commissioners, that the 10 members that are members of the political killings task team are still in Gauteng, part of GCI Ops. And I am having this conversation with the leader of this GCI Ops, Jara Kumar, in order to get status in terms of the duration of this operation. And that's when I'm getting the extent of the work that they have before them that they must still do in Gauteng. So one of those, as we're indicating how this criminality or the syndicates are operating, getting the individuals that are within the political setup as well as business that we're going to talk about later, maybe tomorrow. And there's also police officers that are part of this, or law enforcement officers. I might not talk about many examples that are out there. There are many cases. I'm going to cite few. So one of them is this, what is sitting at 214, where I was indicating that the Mr. Nhlanhla, Ket Nhlanhla, Vusmus Ket Nhlanhla,